And Mr. Anurag Agarwal, we are waiting for your secret. So, Tashat, can we hand over the mic over here, please? Go ahead, sir.
Good evening, everyone. So, yes, we grew very rapidly, for sure. For last 5-7 years, we have grown. We have shown how we have grown. And so, what were the secrets of this growth? I would emphasize that what we did well was that we invested very heavily in capex. We invested in state-of-art machinery, state-of-art plants, with all automation in line with the plants, with manufacturing excellence as well as quality assurance inbuilt within the manufacturing setup that we built up. Second very, very important point is that we went into vertical integration of our manufacturing setup. So we have a complete control on our supply chain and ecosystem. And third, another very important factor is that we emphasized on digitalization at every stage of our business cycle, right from procurement to manufacturing to customer centricity. So our entire customer-facing system is fully digitized. So that has helped us in giving a good reliability to our customers, and our systems have become very robust. So this is what I would like to say. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So, three things. One is increasing your capex. Next is, of course, the second point, sir. What was the second point? Vertical integration, and of course digitization. Right. Thank you. Thank you very much. We will try and see how well the rest of us can implement those mantras.